So tomorrow, Swiss Grand Canyon, and we shall bring it to you. Not sure I can drone there. I think it's a nature reserve.
We will see.
I'll check it out tomorrow. Right, see you there. Bye bye. No drone zone.
No drone zone.
No drone zone. No drone
No
zone.
drone zone.
Oh man. But we have seen a lookout point where we potentially might fly off on the way back.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's go and see the Swiss Grand Canyon. Hello guys.
Hello.
Oof. Once again my hair is everywhere. So another day, another hike I'd say.
Sounds like fun.
The Swiss Grand Canyon as we mentioned yesterday. Dad, how you feeling?
Oh, it's great.
Is it great?
Please, guys, believe me, don't do that with violent mouth. No way.
I have to say it's quite a bit of a hike this one is, but it is so worth it. One thing I have to clarify, yesterday we said welcome to Jura. Now for anyone from Switzerland or that knows Switzerland might be confused because we're not in the canton of Jura, we're an area which includes the canton of Jura, but it's also the whole area that's called Jura. So just as clarification, there won't be any dronage up here, I apologize, but not only do we obey the law, we also respect nature, and this is a wild life reserve. So no flying.
No flying.
No flying.
No fly.
How are you enjoying it, babe?
I'm loving it.
You're loving it. She has been itching to go hiking the whole week after the 2 days of rain. Excuse me, quickly. Whoa. And since the hike yesterday, you've been feeling great, haven't you?
Yes, refreshed, energized, marvelous.
And as always, when hiking, food awaits.
Food.
Are we ready?
No, the jumping pool.
Trampoline. Oh, are you sure you want to do the trampoline now? So anyway, we'll give you a few impressions from the rim as we walk and hike along the ridge, while these two
Oh, sorry.
have a bit of a chat. No, it's all good, it's all good. We continue the hike, we'll give some to you in a bit, and we'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Ciao, ciao now. Bonjour, people.
Bonjour.
So, on the way back to the car, well, we have another hour, I guess. We're down in the canyon.
Yes.
So, coming all the way from top. Mate, how you feeling? Where's my finger?
Now it's good.
Cooling down. How you feeling, babe?
Marvelous. Wonderful.
Wonderful. You were looking forward to something, right?
Yes.
There's something that you want.
Maybe.
Is someone in the mood for an ice cream?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Well, we might find one. Tomorrow is a beach day for us. Supposed to be a cracking day, 26 degrees, cloud free, and we have an actual beach right in front of the campsite.
Yes.
So chill day tomorrow, a few bevies, and that was it. There's one thing that we want to try and do again. We've been there already. It's a lookout point,
Oh. Yeah.
but the clouds came rolling in and we couldn't see further than, I don't know, 50 meters or something. So we try and do that again, bring that to you. But until then, we're gonna go back, get an ice cream, get a few beers,
Yes.
and chill out tomorrow, guys.
Yes.
All right, see ya.
Yeah.
Bye.